If you have type 2 diabetes, prediabetes, or you've just been told that your blood sugar is a little high, this video may change the way you look at your mornings. Stay with me for the next few minutes. What I'm about to share is based on research, and it can make a real difference starting as soon as tomorrow. I know what it's like to wake up feeling as if your day has already started at a disadvantage. You check your blood sugar, prepare a breakfast that is considered healthy, like orange juice, oatmeal, or whole wheat toast, and you believe you're doing everything right. Then, 2 hours later, you check again, and your numbers are much higher than you expected. You ask yourself, what did I do wrong? The answer may surprise you. You didn't do anything wrong. You were simply following incomplete advice. Managing blood sugar is not just about avoiding sugar. It is about understanding how your body processes all carbohydrates, especially in the morning. The mistake is eating a breakfast high in refined carbohydrates or high glycemic foods without enough protein, fiber, and healthy fats to slow down absorption. In the morning, cortisol naturally rises and causes the liver to release stored glucose. This process is known as the dawn phenomenon. When this is combined with foods like white bread, juice, sweetened yogurts, and instant-flavored oatmeal, blood sugar can rise even more. Carbohydrates are not the enemy. The type, the amount, and the way you combine your foods make all the difference. The science: when you eat carbohydrates, they are broken down into glucose. The pancreas releases insulin to help that glucose enter your cells. In type 2 diabetes and prediabetes, insulin resistance makes it harder for glucose to move into the cells, causing it to stay in the bloodstream longer. Studies show that a high-protein breakfast can reduce blood sugar spikes after meals because protein and fats help slow down how quickly the stomach empties. What to do? Prioritize protein: eggs, unsweetened Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and nuts. Add fiber: vegetables, berries, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Choose less processed carbohydrates, such as rolled oats. Control your portions. Whenever possible, eat protein and vegetables before eating carbohydrates. For example, 2 scrambled eggs with half a cup of oatmeal, chia seeds, and blueberries instead of sweetened oatmeal with juice. Living with diabetes or prediabetes is not your fault. Small, consistent changes, such as improving your breakfast, can lead to big results over time. You deserve to understand your body and make better choices every day. You are not alone on this journey. If this video helped you, leave a like and share it with someone who needs this information. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos about foods that help control blood sugar. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. See you in the next video.